What if the reason your investments feel stressful is because you're playing the wrong game entirely? The investors who win long-term aren't the ones chasing 25% returns.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Opening your investment app lately, it can feel a little painful, right? Seeing all that red, watching the numbers go down when they're supposed to be going up, it's enough to make anyone feel anxious. But what if I told you there's a simple, clear plan to get through all this chaos? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about.
If this quote hits a little too close to home, trust me, you are definitely not alone. So many people are feeling this exact same way right now. But here's the good news. Feeling lost is just temporary. This is all about cutting through that noise and giving you a clear, actionable path forward.
So why does it hurt so much? You know, the root of all this anxiety isn't just the market falling. A lot of the time, it's a fundamental mismatch between our expectations, our goals, and the investments we actually chose. Let's break that down.
I mean, this slide pretty much captures the story of the last few years, doesn't it? So many of us jumped in with this idea of getting 25% returns every single year, getting rich quick. But the reality, as we're all seeing now, is that markets can be flat for years on end. And chasing those crazy high returns without the right strategy, well, that just leads to chaos.
And this right here, this is the #1 mistake. Equity investing, stocks and stock funds, is not a short-term game. It's an incredible tool for building wealth, but it needs time. We're talking at least 5 to 7 years, maybe even more, to ride out all the ups and downs. Using it for a goal that's just 2 or 3 years away, it's like planting an oak tree and expecting to have a picnic in its shade next summer. It just doesn't work. The time horizons are completely mismatched.
All right, so how do we fix this? Well, it all starts with a new philosophy. It's about a mindset shift, moving away from chasing the highest peaks and towards something that's way more powerful and way more sustainable in the long run.
I want you to really let this sink in for a second. True long-term success isn't about those amazing years where you're up 30%. It's actually defined by the bad years, the years where you protect what you have and lose way less than everybody else. That, my friends, is the real victory.
And this clip cuts off here. The full video is live on my channel.